Yung simple na sabaw. Gawa tayo ng tuna. Tuna sabaw, guys. Kasi napaka-fresh itong tuna na to. Ayan. Mayroon tayong lemongrass from the garden. Tuna. Ako lang kasi kumakain yan. Kaya ipa-fry naman natin yung ibang tuna. Ayan. Tuna steak yan, guys. At saka yung alugbati natin from the garden. It's gonna be perfect. So, we're gonna cook that. And it's gonna be yummy. And then, we're gonna fry the rest of the tuna. We're gonna marinate them and braid them just a little bit. Yung tuna steak natin, binidi fry natin with corn oil. And ang sabaw natin is almost ready. Sabaw na tuna, guys. Ayan. Almost ready na yan. Sarap ng sabaw. Tapos yun, ilalagay natin yung water spinach. And ito naman yung fish natin na ini-fry natin with corn oil. Okay? Inano ko yan kasi para crunchy siya. Like you can do like 3 times turn. I put only cornstarch, no flour. With seasoning of your choice. I put like cayenne pepper, black pepper, bouillon, any kind of bouillon. Ayan. So, napakasarap nitong tuna steak, guys. Oh. Put it in yung air fry. But me, I do this because it's more yummier. Of course, oil. But it's a corn oil. A little bit healthier. Sabaw soon. Look at that. Yummy. Tuna steak. Sabaw. Ayan. Yung sabaw natin. Let's put our water spinach na. Ang dami natin na-harvest today. Dami natin na-harvest. Daming na-harvest. Oh, umukti na. Ayan. Let's just put it in low heat now. And then put the